This is one of the cheeses that we have made from our goat's milk, and this is one of the onions we have left over. We didn't grow this onion ourselves, we got that in a swap with friends, so it was grown on one of the allotments next to ours, but I didn't grow it. But we're going to combine these two together to make cheese and onion pasties. The first job is to chop the onion and grate the cheese. The proportions that you use between the two, it's really up to you. I don't want to go using too much of my goat cheese, so I'm putting more onion in than cheese. And then when you've done the grating and chopping, you also need to do the short crust pastry. So roll it out, stick on a plate and cut your way around it, like so. Get rid of that. And then we're going to add the cheese and onion. Right. And then I'm going to flip this over. Hopefully I haven't added too much. And then press it down at the edge. Now you can glaze them if you want. We normally use eggs for that. However, our hens have stopped laying, so no glaze. 4 pasties ready for the oven. So we're preheating the oven to 180 degrees centigrade, and once it's up to temperature, we'll pop these in. The oven is preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, and we'll give it 20 minutes to start off with, and at 20 minutes we'll just check that they're still okay. Right, I've checked the pasties after 20 minutes and decided they needed about another 5 minutes, so I've given them that's given them this nice golden brown colour. So I'm going to put these to one side to let them cool down. Right, so here we have the pasty. It's cold now, but we're just taking the potatoes off the cooker. These are potatoes we grew on our farm, they're pink fir apples, so nice sort of salad type potato. And we've got some green tomato chutney, but the thing I'm going to have a sample of is the pasty.